I'm here at WIFH in Atlanta. If you've been following me, you know this is where I go for every single thing. I've gotten cool peel, my baby Botox, hydrofacials, facial balancing, PRP injections, microneedling, my chin lipo, my stomach lipo, everything. This is truly a one-stop shop. If you live in Atlanta, this is your place to go. Today we're doing something a little different, but still on the same concept. So I'm getting Masseter Botox today. So I recently got Invisalign about a year ago, and I'm about to finish. My teeth look fantastic. However, with the fantastic teeth came horrible teeth clenching. And it is driving me crazy. My girls over at WIFH told me they have a fix for it, and the Masseter Botox should fix it. I always love coming here because every single lady, all of the ladies know me here. I'm really just a regular. It's almost like I actually work here.
This is so cool. Are you filming me right now? Look, yes. I hope not. Okay. Turn your body. For TV, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on. If you can, let's get you back in 2 weeks and we'll take some pictures and we'll compare. It's great. It's good. But it's one side with this, one side with that.
Or Botox. She's never.
I would say a combination is nice too. Like if she's really grinding, sometimes a combination. Huge difference, essentially, because you saw these people posting on Instagram about the Nefertiti lift, and like.
Is it this that it lifts, this area? Or is it?
It's this muscle's pulling down, so it just relieves this from pulling down. So it allows these muscles to pull up a little bit. So it just kind of pull down, and then when you have more tissue here when you get older, where it's pulling down.
Drinks for yesterday.
It's cute. No, that's perfect. Okay, that's perfect. It's coffee. For the best.
Like, oh yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Wait, this is
Sure.
You need to pick up the competition. That's good. There's no good you use.
It's so much, and you're not paying.
We're doing a galentines today. We decided to do glass blowing. Sarah's gonna make a heart, and I think I'm gonna do a ball, but we'll see. But we're gonna film the entire thing to show you. But it'll be so cute. That is cute. We started off by picking out colors for our paperweights. Sarah picked out like a really cute pink, and I tried to do like a mixture between red and pink. We got some melted glass and pressed it against the colors, and then it just has like a sequence of going back and forth into the heat, and you just have to roll it into shape. Back after a week when it's nice and cool down to pick it up. Next we got some matching friendship inklets. We both opted for gold, and it has a little heart on it, which I thought was really cute. And of course we had to end the day with dinner. And that's why you're perfect. These chips are really good. I would expect that with you. Exactly. Matchy. Yes, of course. I'm sorry.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Looks so good. Oh, now it's beautiful. Use bone broth. Beat 2 eggs. I'm like, can you top galentines? What you're saying. Everything, yeah. I think it works the same way with people. We have a lot of work to catch up on. Like, it's too much. My man has already got like a million things on his plate because of me. All my things, actually. I just have to catch up on some of my things. Like, we're gonna get some work done first, and then I have a chakra balancing massage later. I'm really excited for that. I feel like my chakra's been like, something's wrong. Something is out of balance, but we're going to fix that today. Then I have a pedicure, and we're gonna get a workout in. Soul Cycle, of course. I feel like the best company is your own company. I am my own best friend. Like, I am my own best friend. I am obsessed with myself. I'm in love with myself, and honestly, my favorite thing to do with myself, because I love myself, is to go take a nice workout class. Usually, currently my choice of workout is Soul Cycle. Mix in with some Pilates. Maybe I'll do a solid core class. I did hot yoga the other day. I used the class pass so I can pick whatever I want to do for that week. I like to take a class, and then I like to go explore and find a new coffee shop or a new smoothie shop, something to eat. And today I'm having a smoothie and a coffee from E-Rose. I think it's really big in Nashville and a couple of other places. I took my mom because I love my mom. Here's my mom. Say hi, Mom. Hi. I think she got the smoothie and then I got the mushroom coffee, so we'll see. And I'll just finish out the week editing the video that you're currently watching. See you guys next time. Bye.